Puerto Escondido, a hidden gem on the Pacific coast of Oaxaca, has been on the radar of many expats and travelers, mesmerizing them with its sun-kissed beaches and inviting local culture. While the town offers a laid-back atmosphere and world-class surfing opportunities, the financial implications of living here remain a significant concern for potential residents. This video aims to provide a comprehensive overview of the cost of living in Puerto Escondido, ensuring you're well-informed before deciding to make it your new home. Alright, first, accommodation. An indispensable component of one's monthly expenses, accommodation in Puerto Escondido offers a wide range of options. Here's a snapshot. Apartments. Depending on the neighborhood, a single-bedroom apartment might cost anywhere from $300 to $800 a month. As with most places, proximity to the beach or the city center typically demands a higher rent. Houses. Renting a house will set you back from $600 to $1,500 monthly, depending on its size and location. Special accommodations. Beachfront properties and homes in gated communities tend to come with a premium price tag, with rent starting from $1,000 and going up based on luxury amenities. Alright, number 2, transportation. While Puerto Escondido is relatively walkable, understanding transportation costs is crucial. Public transportation, you have local buses or colectivos. They're kind of a truck with a cover on them. They're the most affordable option. They usually cost around $1 or less. There will be some walking involved. They only stop at certain places. Car rentals. Renting a car might cost around $30 a day or $400 to $600 a month. Don't forget to factor in gas. And then biking. For the environmentally minded, Puerto Escondido offers limited but growing bike lanes. A new bicycle might cost you from $100 to $300. And the king of all is motorbikes and scooters. I personally rented a motorbike for, I think it was about $450 for 4 months. Alright, number 3, daily expenses. Day-to-day costs are essential for gauging the affordability of life in Puerto Escondido. So, groceries. Expect to spend between $200 to $400 a month for groceries. Local produce, especially in markets, is generally affordable. Dining out. A meal at a local eatery might cost between $4 to $10, while fine dining establishments can set you back $20 to $50 per meal. Utilities. Monthly utility bills, including water and electricity and internet, average around $50 to $100, though this can vary based on usage. Healthcare. Public healthcare is relatively affordable, but for more personalized care, many expats opt for private insurance, which might cost around $50 to $150 a month. Number 4, recreational activities and entertainment. Living in Puerto Escondido isn't all about costs, it's also about enjoying what the town offers. Beach activities. While lounging at the beach is free, activities like surfing might cost between $10 to $20 for board rentals or lessons. A lot of the beaches also have, like if you go into a beach, a nice beach, it'll have a business associated, like a hotel associated with it. You might have to pay for that. Local festivities. Most local festivals are free to attend, but do set aside a budget for food, drinks, and souvenirs. Water sports. Scuba diving, fishing, and boat tours are popular, with prices ranging from $30 to $100 depending on the activity and duration. In conclusion, Puerto Escondido promises a delightful mix of natural beauty, vibrant culture, and a relatively affordable cost of living compared to many coastal towns worldwide. Armed with a clear understanding of the expenses, you can effectively plan your budget and enjoy a comfortable, fulfilling life in this beautiful Mexican paradise. Whether you're thinking of a temporary stay or a permanent move, Puerto Escondido awaits with open arms and sun-soaked shores.